Alrighty folks, until 4501 gets back, I'm going to walk alongside of some of the equipment they got around down in here. This looks to be an old Atlantic Coastline dining car. You see it's got the kitchen over there, and it looks to be an old dining car. As I hear another freight train coming, or some type of train coming. That's an old heavyweight dining car. This is a nice old steam locomotive. It's a Pacific 462 Pacific type locomotive. It doesn't have any markings on the tender, so I don't really know where it come from or what the history is on it, other than it's a Pacific type.
We'll blame it on the equipment anyway.
Southern caboose. That's cool.
That'd be good up the middle there. Good if I got that middle on top of the truck.
Of course, when I come down into the rail yard, sorry about that, folks. It's like a freight train's coming through up there. This looks like an old observation car. Looks like a some form of observation car. Nashville, Chattanooga, and St. Louis rail lines. Nice looking truck. I thought they had one of these on display here. That's just cool. There's another Nashville, Chattanooga, St. Louis car. I think this is this line ended up becoming Louisville, Nashville. If I'm right on that, you can leave that in the comments. And then this is an old crane and boom car set. This is cool. And again, folks, I'm at the Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Yeah, that's just cool. Alright, I'll let you know what else I found interesting. There's that closer view of that Southern Caboose I found earlier. This is a dining car from the Louisville, Nashville rail lines. It's a pretty blue. This locomotive is Tennessee Valley's newest exhibit. This is a Fairbanks Morris Baby Trainmaster. It's the only Trainmaster variant left in this country. And I thought they was going to restore it back to operating condition, but I guess not. That is just cool. Now this side of the yard is roped off because this is all their active equipment. This is what they run excursions with when they run steam excursions or diesel excursions. But that's all their active equipment. Cool little Wabash Caboose. This is a off-centered cupola caboose. Usually the cupola is in the center of the caboose, hence the name off-centered cupola. This is a cool, I'm not sure if this is an Alco or what it is. Kind of looks like an Alco. Somebody tore down the "Please don't climb on the exhibit" sign. I would assume this is a rare piece of equipment, an L&N caboose, especially a bay window L&N caboose. I would assume that's pretty hard to find. And again, somebody tore down the "Please don't climb on the exhibit" sign on this this Tennessee Valley. Early Transitionary diesel. I'm not sure what it is, because you can tell it's Transitionary because of the journal boxes. That's what those are called. They're called journal boxes. They were the predecessor to roller bearings. Like this caboose. This caboose over here has roller bearings on the ends of the wheels. So yeah, that's a neat little Tennessee Valley diesel. I'm not sure exactly what it is. Southern bay window, that's really cool. A Southern 3-bay coal hopper, again with the journal boxes. A tank car and a reefer down here on the end, an old refrigerated box car. That's cool. And that about does it for Tennessee Valley. This is a quick view of some of the museum's operable equipment. This is actually the dinner train contest that they'll run later tonight. Headed up by that blue diesel down there. Looks like a some form of GP variant, or I'm not exactly sure what it is. I know that's a Jeep variant. The Southern 2594. That's a GP variant. Some old Southern consist cars. That would look good behind 4501. Especially that one. That one's like time period accurate. And then you have what appears to be an old Norfolk and Western car down in there. So yeah, that's their active equipment yard. This is another one of their active cars here, and then this is a better shot of the N&W car. It's very nice. This is a post steam era NNW. You can tell by 1486. The original 1400 series were storage mail cars. So yeah, it looks nice. Very nice.